Dear children, we will study about geographical features of India. Now we are studying about prehistoric period. Prehistoric period means the period before development of art of writing. Prehistoric period means the period that developed before the art of writing, because no evidence of art is found from prehistoric period. No evidence of art has been found from prehistoric period. No evidence of writing. These people are known as archaeologists. Those people who are studying about ancient history of India is known as archaeologists. They removed the covering of the stone, archaeologists. They removed the covering of the earth and they studied about old history of India. They are known as archaeologists. In the opinion of archaeologists also, what is that? There is no information regarding the art of writing during the prehistoric period. People were nomads. What was special to people? People were nomads. Who were nomads? Nomads means those people who were moving from one place to another place is known as nomads. And they were engaged in hunting only. People engaged in hunting only. What is hunting? Hunting means killing the animals and bringing their blood and eating their flesh. That is known as hunting. They collected fruits from the forest. They were moving from one place to another place where food was available. They moved from one place to another place wherever the food items were available. There was the life of which one? This was the life of the people of prehistoric period. They used stone weapons. They used stone, wood and bone weapons. With those weapons, they killed the animals. With those weapons, they removed the covering of the trees, the peel of the trees. With those weapons, they cut down the trees. Mainly stone weapons they used. Where they live, that we are studying. See what I told? We are learning about geographical features of India. About geographical features of India we are studying. We are learning about prehistoric period. What is the meaning of or what is the speciality of prehistoric period that we are studying? Prehistoric period. The period before the discovery of the art of writing is known as prehistoric period. Archaeologists are the people who are studying about ancient history of India. Archaeologists are studying about the ancient history of India. Archaeologists are really studying about the ancient history of India. Then They are telling that archaeologists are telling that during the prehistoric period, people were nomads. People were moving from one place to another place. Their main duty was hunting. They were killing animals and they were eating their flesh and drinking their blood. They used so many weapons out of stone, wood and bones. Different types of or different kinds of weapons were used by the people of prehistoric period. They used different type of weapons. Where they live, where did they live? That we have to think. From Bhimbetka and Karnool areas, so many remains of prehistoric period has been discovered by the historians. What is the meaning? From Bhimbetka, Karnool, Konasagi, from Bhimbetka, Karnool, Konasagi areas, historians or archaeologists found out so many remains of which one? Prehistoric period. Then what was special to this one? They lived near the riverside. They lived near the riverside. Who? People of prehistoric period lived near the riverside. That means all the ancient civilizations developed near the riverside. Why? Because near the riverside enough water will be available. Enough water will be available at the riverside, and very fertile soil is there near the riverside. What is the meaning of this one? Archaeologists and other historians are telling that archaeologists and other historians are telling that people of prehistoric period lived near the riverside for getting enough water and for getting enough fertile soil. They lived there. Then this was the first industrial site. It is believed that this was the first industrial site of India. What is the meaning of this one? Because majority of the weapons of prehistoric period are made with the stones. Majority of the weapons of prehistoric period are made with stones. So, in some areas, they lived for some time. There enough stone was there, but those stones were not ready to be used by the people, or those stones cannot be shaped or changed as weapons. So they moved from one area to another area. So the place where they found more stones was the first industrial sites or first industrial areas of India. They were the first industrial areas of India. Then they found out the use of fire. What is that? It is said, or it is believed that people of prehistoric period used fire for cooking food or to keep away animals, wild animals. They used fire, historians are believing, because from Kurnool area, ashes has been found. From Kurnool area, ashes, booty has been found. Historians are believing that prehistoric people were able to use fire for so many purposes. That was the idea. Then drawings were the drawings. Another opinion also is the drawings. It is believed that from Madhya Pradesh, and Karnataka area, what happened? Historians found out drawings of prehistoric period. Drawings. They found out that one. Drawings of prehistoric period. That means prehistoric people were able to use weapons and instruments to make drawings of their own. Now what I told you, where prehistoric people lived, that we are studying. Where prehistoric people lived. Prehistoric people lived in different parts of India. From Bhimbetka, Kurnool, Konasagi areas. Historians found out one truth that from which place? From Bhimbetka, Kurnool, Konasagi areas. Historians found out one important incident that what they found out? Historians found out one important incident that what they found out? Prehistoric people lived in these areas. Prehistoric people lived mainly in riverside areas. At the side of river, enough water was there. At the riverside, enough water was there. At the riverside, enough fertile soil was there. At the side of the river, enough fertile soil was there. Then, these riverside areas were the first industrial areas of prehistoric period. Why? Because people were making weapons out of stone. People were making weapons out of stone. But some stones were not suitable for making weapons. Some stones were not at all suitable for making weapons. So what happened? Those stones they avoided. They moved from that place to another place. And it is believed that prehistoric people were able to use fire. It is a belief. It is believed that prehistoric people were able to use fire. From Kanpur caves, archaeologists or historians found out the remains of ash. They were able to make pictures also. During the prehistoric period, it is believed that people made drawings at the side of their walls or caves. From Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, etc., historians found out the balance of the drawings which were made by the prehistoric people. There is the changing environment. Changing environment. What is the meaning of this one? We should think. See. About 12,000 years ago, what happened? About 12,000 years ago, what actually happened? Temperature of the earth began to increase. Then what happened? Grassland began to develop. Temperature began to increase and grassland began to develop. So many animals came there to eat grassland. So many types of animals came there. The main eating item of animals are grass only. The major eating item of the animals are grass only. Gradually, people began to make friendship with the animals. Gradually, people began to make friendship with the animals. They killed some animals. People killed some animals and drank their blood and they began to eat their flesh. This kind of a situation was going on. During this time, what happened? They took some animals. Animal husbandry started. What happened? Animal husbandry started. What is the meaning of animal husbandry that we have to think? What is animal husbandry? Animal husbandry means, what is the meaning of this one? Animal husbandry means people of prehistoric period began to keep some animals in their custody, and they kept those animals for meat and for milk. For getting milk and for getting meat, they kept some animals in their custody. That is known as animal husbandry. Animal husbandry started during this particular period. Then, old Stone Age is there. Old Stone Age. What is the meaning of Old Stone Age that we have think? 2 million years before. Two million years ago, what happened? Old Stone Age existed on the earth. This is a rough calculation one. This is a belief of the people. Then 12,000 years to 10,000, in between 12,000 years and 10,000 years, Middle Stone Age was there. Middle Stone Age. This period was there. During this period, Middle Stone Age was there. Then New Stone Age was about 10,000 years ago. New Stone Age was about 10,000 years ago. New Stone Age. New Stone Age was about 10,000 years ago. We historians are classifying this into Old Stone Age, Middle Stone Age and New Stone Age based on the speciality of the stone weapons. During the Old Stone Age, what was there? Stone weapons had no shape at all. There was no shape. They were using the pieces of some stones to catch animals and cut down trees. During Middle Stone Age, some more changes happened in the shape of weapons during Middle Stone Age. Then during New Stone Age, people began to use shaped weapons or well advanced weapons they began to use. See, one more time I am telling you. We are studying the lesson Geographical Features of India. The lesson Geographical Features of India we are learning now. Geographical Features of India. Now, which one we are studying now? Changing environment. Change in the environment, atmosphere that we are learning. A small change in the environment in which people lived began to take place. A small change in the environment. A small change in the environment where people lived began to take place. A small change in the environment. About 12,000 years before, what happened? About 12,000 years before, the temperature of the earth began to increase. Heat. When temperature of the earth began to increase, what happened? There developed enough grassland. When temperature of the earth began to increase, there developed enough grassland grassland began to develop. Grassland. When grassland began to develop, another thing also happened. Some animals came there to eat grass. During this time, some animals came there to eat grass. The people of this period killed some animals. They killed some animals and they began to eat their flesh. They began to drink their blood also. They began to eat their flesh and they began to drink their blood. And after some time, they began to make friendship with some animals. The people of prehistoric period began to keep those animals in their house. So, animal husbandry started during this time in India. Animal husbandry means keeping animals in the house for meat, for milk, for plowing the land, etc. Then we should know what is old Stone Age. Depending on the size of stone weapons, Stone Age can be divided into 3 categories. Old Stone Age. Old Stone Age existed about 2 million years ago. Then, during the Old Stone Age period, stone weapons had no particular shape of its own. Stone weapons had no clear or particular shape. They used only very rough type of stone weapons. Very rough or only old type of stone weapons they used. In between 12,000 and 10,000 period, Middle Stone Age was there. During this period, there was the development of some shape for the stone. Then New Stone Age existed about 10,000 years before. New Stone Age. During the period of New Stone Age, the shape of weapons were very good. They began to use polished weapons. Dear children, you watch this video. Read the same topic in the textbook. If you do have doubts, you please call me. Thank you.